What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick video on our Accelerator bagger we use for our Scag V-Ride 2. I had a few questions about it in the last video, so I thought I'd post it. We've never had one before we bought our Scag, and it's what the dealer suggested at the time, and overall it's been pretty cool. They put it together, and I'll show you what they did, and very easy. You can buy it online, but I guess not many people have seen these before, so I just wanted to do a quick review on it with the Scag V-Ride. So this is the Accelerator bagger. Pretty cool bagging system. Pros and cons, obviously, but so this came with the Scag V-Ride 2. This comes right off. There's a little hole there in the hook, just like most other brands. It's really just a little pin, hook here, and then this bracket goes on. They did it all. Obviously you drill into the deck with this. I'm never really like a fan of that kind of stuff, but we have the grass flap in this, so it's pretty neat. Nothing too crazy like some of these other attachments. But so this bag comes right off, handle hooks right on. Beautiful. So first off, price wise, this was somewhere between $600 to $700 for this bag. We've had this for 2 years now. So overall, I mean, it's aluminum, so it's not gonna rust or bottom out. So this bag's been great so far. It gets banged up, obviously. There's a little dent right there, but it's not huge either. This is great for, I guess, your weekly mowing. Like one property of ours with this will fill the bag up. So that's great for that. So that, like I said, $600–700, and that includes them installing it. So that's that price wise. So these, again, like I said, with the mowing, it's great for the mowing. We use this for leaf cleanups. I can tell you, I do not suggest that. So there's no cover on here. I don't know if you can find one, but this dust just comes shooting out of here, and it is a mess. Like I said in my previous video, we do not do too many leaf cleanups, big leaf cleanups, I should say. So I cannot fathom paying a couple thousand for a bagging system. I mean, you could, and you can, make it work over time and, kind of invest, and yes. But listen, with this bag, with our previous video, like I said, with the cleanups, we're tarping, raking, hauling barrels. Leaf cleanups, there's no easy way unless you want to buy some gigantic fancy system. Yes, if you have huge properties and you're making good money, yes, it's worth it. In some of these areas you guys are from, where HOAs and there are trees everywhere, oak trees, yes, it is definitely worth it. But we're at no. So with this bag, I would much rather make 5, 6, 7 passes on the lawn, scoop everything up while the guys in the back are blowing it out. Yes, it takes a while, but yes, again, this was paid off in one leaf cleanup if you want to look at it like that. Leaves are not fun. Your back hurts. Yes, I'm bending over, lifting this up, dumping it. Mulch leaves are even heavier, as you know. But it's definitely, I mean, it helps. Like I said, with the weekly mowing, this thing's beautiful. It doesn't leave any clippings or anything. It's right up against the mower. Never any strips of grass. Never, never a problem. And when it fills up, obviously it's like every other bag. Like, you'll see clumps coming out and everything like that. But to dump, has the little bag. And this too, before I jump ahead, it's all welds. So there's no pieces. I'll be honest with you. We have one of those Ballard metal baggers for our 36. And you had to put it together, and it was just a mess. It's great, holds together, not a problem, but this is 2 pieces. This pin, boom, done. And that panel obviously comes off up there, but easy. Dump, go, dump, go. It's very easy once you have a system down and a rhythm with mowing lawns. But again, leaves, absolutely not. Small properties, go right ahead. It won't be a problem. Like I said, it's aluminum, so it's light, but when you have mulch leaves, that's a problem too. It's heavy. Everything's heavy. And then when they get wet, well, it gets even worse from there, as you know. So again, it gets dusty. There's no cover, but overall, really, this is a quick video, guys. It's easy. You know, it's aluminum. It doesn't rust. You know, so you know some of these bags do rust if they're not aluminum, but this thing has been through the ringer. I mean, with all the stuff on these fertilized lawns and, you know, the rust, and great, no problem at all. And like I said, for $600-700, you make that back real quick. So that's, overall, it's been a great bag. I can tell you, I'll post a link, but I didn't get it from there. If you go on their website, they have, you know, you can customize like what mower you have, what bag. They even have an extender for leaves, which maybe I'll buy. I don't know, we'll see. But like I said, this has been 2 years so far, no problems. So I will definitely be buying one of these again. I won't buy another off-brand. And if you look on their website's pretty old. These guys have been around for a long time. They're not, you know, you see them on a few mowers and then you don't, because, you know, when you buy like a Wright or maybe a Scag, I think Scag has their own brand bagger, I believe. But whenever we buy a Wright, we buy the bag that comes with it, so that bag stays with that mower. It's just easier that way. But these Accelerator baggers are pretty nice. With our next mower, I'm gonna have to put the cost kind of and see what works best when it comes to that. But that's pretty much the deal there with that bag. Like I said, I will be buying another one. It's a great little bag, not good for leaves, dust everywhere, flies all over the place, but it'll get the job done, guys. Again, quick video. It's the Accelerator Industries, I believe. I'll post a link to their website. Great bag, no problems besides leaves, but obviously that's my fault because I have no dust cover and no legit bagging system. But great bag, guys. It's definitely worth the money, and it holds up. Like I said, this thing's been thrown around, bashed around, but good bag. It'll definitely make you some money if you're looking to get into a different bagger or, you know, I don't know, system, whatever you want to call it. If you don't like the one you currently have that comes with your mower, Accelerator does have every brand on their website, and it's a pretty cool website. You can check it out. So hope this video helps you guys. Had a few people kind of post, you know, what bag we use and things like that, or this bag on that Scag video I had. So I don't know, hope this, you know, if you're looking for a bag, this is definitely worth the money. All right, guys, thanks for watching.